So track fans, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be talking about the relationship that Shaccarri Richardson is into, because recently we heard that Shaccarri is in love with Coleman, but now we are seeing a picture of Shaccarri and the Jamaican sprinter. Now I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know about Shaccarri, who she is really in love with, who she really loves, and who she really care about. So before I say anything, do me a favor to subscribe to this YouTube channel in case this happens to be your first time, and also make sure to like this video. Now, Shaccarri Richardson, from my research, I came to find out that Shaccarri Richardson is a lesbian. Well, I don't know whether she might have changed her mind not to be a lesbian again, but after went in on a deep research on social media and other researching site, I came to find out that Shaccarri is a lesbian, but I don't know whether she has changed her mind, and her former girlfriend is Janet Brown from Jamaica. But recently I saw this picture where Shaccarri was smiling and taking picture with Akeem Blake of Jamaica, and I feel like they are a good match for each other because Akeem Blake is very handsome, he has a cute face, and Shaccarri is a pretty damsel. And I can't wait to see them getting married and having kids. Let me know what you think.